have sent bulk audio messages to all my leads, because you know what, nowadays all the brands are sending bulk WhatsApp messages, be it in text formats, image formats or video formats, but the audio format is not in trend right now. And you know what, when I send these audio messages to my leads, they are curious and they listen to this. This can increase the conversion rates, and in this video I'll show you how you can send bulk audio messages without getting blocked, and a total legal method. What you have to do is you just have to open the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So you can click on this sign up for free and get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. But over here, I'll just let you know that this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos, and this discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount, and I can bet the maximum amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. But I will suggest you first try Pabbly Chatflow, and then if you find it helpful for you and your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Now let's see how we can send bulk audio messages. For that, you have to come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and make sure to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you haven't added your WhatsApp number, just comment how to add WhatsApp number, and I'm just going to share you the video of the same, using which you can learn step by step how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Apart from that, you can just click on this add WhatsApp number button and add your WhatsApp number following the instructions. I've already added my WhatsApp number, so let's see how we can send bulk audio messages. For that, from the left hand of the side, go on this broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow and click on this add broadcast button. For the broadcast type, just choose it as broadcast campaign. For the name, I'm just going to name it as audio messages. You can name the broadcast according to your own choice. I'm just going to name it as audio messages. Now for the contact list, I've already created multiple contact lists, so I'm just going to select one from the same. If you want, you can select multiple contact lists too. Apart from that, if you want to learn how to create contact lists, just comment contacts and my team is just going to share you the video on how to create contact lists and contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. It's very easy. From the left hand of the side, you just have to go in this contact section and do the same. Now it is saying refine audience, so this is an optional. Over here, you can exclude the contact list to whom you don't want to send this broadcast, and also some specific contacts to whom you don't want to send the message. Apart from that, you can exclude the contacts in an active 24-hour conversation window so that they don't receive a redundant broadcast on the top of an active conversation. Now it is saying message type, so over here, if you go for a pre-approved template message, you can't send voice messages as of now. So you have to go on this regular message and you have to select the message type as audio over here. Now you have to simply upload the audio. How can you upload the audio? So go on this upload from media library, and if you don't have the audio right over here in your media library, go on this add new audio and then choose a file or drag it here. Now once you do this, we're going to see all the options. You can simply upload the audio directly from here and click on this upload audio. The audio will be uploaded in your media library. Once the audio is uploaded in your media library, you can click on this insert button and this audio will be inserted. You can't add captions as of now with the audio messages, and now you can see that we've successfully selected the audio, we have selected the list, and now let's just send it in bulk. So before we send it in bulk, over here it is asking for the username and the mobile number so that we can test it once. Okay, so let me just enter the username and the mobile number in order to see the test message. So I'm just going to enter the mobile number right over here, and then what I'm just going to do is I am just going to click on this button which says send test message, and once I'm going to click on this button, it is saying test broadcast sent. So let me just open my WhatsApp, and I've received this new audio message over here, and once I'm just going to hear it, it looks perfectly fine. So I'm just going to send it to all the leads. Okay, so in order to send it to all the leads, I have two options. I can schedule it for later or send send instantly. So if I wish to send instantly, I'm just going to go on this no send instantly and then add button. But now if I want to schedule it for later, I'm just going to go on this yes schedule for later, choose the date and time with the calendar button right over here, and then schedule it right over here by clicking on this add button. Once I'm just going to click on this add broadcast button over here, it is saying that this is scheduled for July 28, 2026, 5 p.m. Once this message is sent, I can go on the send section and view the stats for the same, how many were sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. So like this, we have successfully learned how to send bulk audio messages. This can be very helpful for you, so go and try this right now. And while trying, if you have any doubts, just drop them in the comment section below. Once again, I'll just let you know, we're offering a very huge discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. Don't forget that now this is only a limited period of time offer. If you're considering Pabbly Chatflow, or if you're interested in Pabbly Chatflow, please do not delay this. You're not going to get this deal again. So don't forget the discount coupon code, which is RITYT, is attached in the description box below too. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.